In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color to a block of text in Notion. Whether you're working on a wiki, drafting project documents, or simply want to make your notes pop, adding some color can really help organize and emphasize your content. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to transform those plain old text blocks into vibrant, eye-catching sections that can make your work much more engaging. First, let's start by accessing your Notion workspace. Head over to your connected workspace in Notion. This is where you'll be able to manage all your pages, projects, and more. If you haven't signed in already, now's the time to do so by clicking on the Login button. Enter your credentials and get into your Notion account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Notion homepage, a central hub where all your work unfolds. Now that you're in Notion Home, the next step is to locate the particular page where you wish to add color to a block of text. Click on Page to open up the document or note you want to work on. With your page open, carefully select the specific text that you want to apply the color to. This is a crucial step because your selection will determine exactly which parts of your text will receive the colorful update. Next, with your text selected, look out for the text color option that appears in the menu above. Clicking on this will reveal a palette of colors you can apply to your selected text. Text color is an effective way to distinguish between different sections or to highlight key points that need extra attention. Choose a color that aligns with the theme of your project, or one that simply catches your eye. In addition to text color, Notion offers another layer to enhance the look of your text, the background color option. Again, with your text selected, navigate to this option in the same menu. Choosing a background color adds an additional layer of emphasis, and it's particularly useful if you want the text to stand out even more. Play around with the combinations of text and background colors to reach your desired effect. And there you have it. A simple, yet powerful way to bring your Notion documents to life using color. Not only does adding color improve the aesthetics of your workspace, but it also enhances the functionality by allowing you to highlight important information effectively. So go ahead. Transform those text blocks into something visually striking and organized. Remember, the key to making the most of Notion's color features is to experiment and find what works best for your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion.